In your globe ceiling fan box, you will find the mounting bracket, assembled down rod, fan motor housing, LED light kit, canopy, decorative cover, canopy ring, 3 blades, remote control, J1 wire, the receiver, mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To get started, download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. To install your smart device, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Align the first fan blade to the motor housing and slide the blade into place. Then, secure the blade using the included washers and fan blade screws. Tighten well to ensure the fan has no wobble. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Once complete, turn the fan over. Finish securing the fan blades using the remaining fan blade washers and screws. Tighten well to ensure the fan has no wobble. Connect the LED light kit wire to the motor housing wire. Then, align the light kit to the motor housing and rotate clockwise for it to lock into place. Once complete, turn the fan over. Disassemble the down rod. Remove the locking pin from the down rod, then remove the 2 hanger ball screws. Slide the hanger ball off the down rod and remove the cross pin. On the motor housing, loosen the 2 base screws to allow the down rod placement. Next, carefully feed the wiring through the down rod. Once through, place the down rod into the fan motor housing and align the holes accordingly. Secure by reinstalling the locking pin. Then, tighten the screws until you feel resistance. Next, carefully slide the decorative cover onto the down rod. Then add the canopy cover ring. Ensure it is facing upwards. Finally, add the canopy. Next, slide the hanger ball back onto the down rod and reinsert the cross pin into the large hole. Raise the hanger ball and nest the crossbar in its groove, ensuring all the screw holes align accordingly. Reinstall the 2 screws and tighten well to ensure the hanger ball is properly secured. Your fan is now ready to be mounted. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using your junction box's pre-existing screws, secure the included mounting bracket to your ceiling's junction box. Then, loosen the mounting bracket's canopy screws. The following installation steps are the same, regardless of the fan model featured on screen. Lift the assembled fan to the ceiling and place the hanger ball into the mounting bracket opening. Rotate the fan as needed to ensure the groove on the hanger ball drops into the slot on the bracket and sits firmly. For models featuring the safety cable, secure it now. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket. Then, connect the 2 cables from the motor housing to the receiver, the first to its matching colored cable, and the second directly into the receiver. Then, connect the J1 wire to the receiver. Next, insert the hot black wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the black J1 wire, and insert the neutral white wire from the junction box into the quick connect clip on the white J1 wire. Finally, connect the junction box's ground wire and all ground wires from the fan together using the wire nut. Next, lift the canopy. Tuck the wiring into the canopy, then align the keyholes to the mounting screws and rotate clockwise to lock into place. Tighten the screws to secure. Then, raise the magnetic canopy ring to connect it to the canopy. Install the remote's back plate to the wall using the included screws, then mount the remote to the magnetic plate. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. The smart fan's light should start pulsing automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Turn the power on and off 5 times using your switch. Once the light is pulsing, this means your fan is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your smart device, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that your Bluetooth is turned on. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Add Device. device discovery launches automatically on the pairing screen. Once your smart product appears, tap Add. On the next screen, tap the plus button on the device card. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Next. Wait a few moments for the device to connect. When the green check mark appears next to your device, this means your device has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now control your smart device directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the smart fan to access its controls. In the Control tab, you have access to the fan's air circulation and lighting options. To turn both the fan and light on and off simultaneously, tap the power button icon at the bottom of your screen or press the Globe logo button at the top of your wireless remote. To only turn the fan on or off, tap the fan icon in the upper control square. Once on, you can control the fan's speed using the slider. For directional control, tap the relevant arrow icons, blue down arrows to push cool air down, and red up arrows to circulate warm air. You can also control these features using the wireless remote. To individually turn the fan's light on or off, tap the bulb icon in the lower control square. Once on, you can customize the light's brightness using the slider. To access the white lighting options, tap the white wheel at the bottom of your screen twice. Select your desired white light from the wheel or using one of the preset options. Then tap Done. Tap the color wheel twice to access the color controls. Choose your desired light color from the wheel or using one of the preset options. Then tap Done. Tap the mood wheel twice to access active lighting options. Choose one of the preset options or tap the plus button to create your own. Tap Done. You can also control these features using the wireless remote. To explore automatic routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. To set a countdown for your fan to turn on or off, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. Set the duration and select which aspects you would like to affect. Tap Start. When the time runs out, your fan will turn on or off depending on the state it was in when you started the timer. Select Fan Routines to access automation for the fan features. Use the Auto Off routine to set your fan to always turn off after a set amount of time. Tap the Add Schedules button to create routines that fit your specific needs. Customize the days of the week you want the schedule to apply to. Select the time and set the device to turn on or off. Then, name your new schedule and tap Save. Once complete, tap Save. Your new schedule will display on the Routines panel. To disable a schedule, use the slider at the end of the schedule's card. Tap the back button to return to the main Routines panel. Tap Light Routines to create similar schedules for the fan's light. Choose from a variety of preset options created for easy everyday household needs. Each routine is unique and can be customized to your liking. Tap the Add Schedules button to customize your own new routine, then tap Save. Tap the back button to return to the main Routines panel. To create automatic routines based on weather, location, or links to other devices, explore Smart Routines and create your personalized smart scene. Tap the back button to return to the main Routines panel. Tap the Control tab at the bottom of the screen to return to the device's main screen. In the top right-hand corner, tap the gear icon to access the device settings. Tap Power on Behavior to set the state of the device when it is reconnected to a power source after an unexpected power outage. For the light, choose between Default Color and Last State. If you prefer for the light to remain off, enable Stay Off using the toggle. For the fan, you can decide whether you want it to stay off, turn on, or simply restore its last state once the power is back on. Tap the back button to return to the device settings. If you would like your fan to beep when you make a command on the app or remote, enable sound feedback. Connect your smart fan with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile. Then select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite and explore the rest of the Smart Home collection. Globe, Smart Home made easy.